Hello everyone, welcome to Career 360. The countdown to one of the India's toughest exams has officially begun. IIT Guwahati has just dropped the full GATE 2026 examination schedule and the clock is ticking for millions of engineering aspirants. Here at Career 360, we have covered this particular news which says that IIT Guwahati announces GATE 2026 examination schedule for MTech admissions. Moving ahead, and now I'm going to talk about the whole news to you people. So, the IIT Guwahati has published the examination schedule for the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering GATE 2026 on its official website at gate2026.iitg.ac.in. The institute is expected to announce the release date for the GATE 2026 admit card. Now, moving ahead, as per the examination schedule, the Engineering Institute will conduct the CBT mode GATE 2026 from February 7 in dual shifts. The forenoon shift will be held from 9:30 to 12:30 noon, while the afternoon shift will take place from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. Moving ahead, the Engineering Institute has also hosted the GATE 2026 mock test links. The mock test help candidates familiarize themselves with the look and the feel of the college entrance test basically. The features in the actual GATE 2026 exam may be different from those available in the static mock test links. The mock test is not an indication of the topics from which the question will appear in the GATE 2026 exam as per the official website. Moving ahead, see over here the schedule that has been released basically. Now, the table given below contains exam date, timings and paper code for each paper in the GATE 2026 examination. The college entrance test will be conducted on Saturdays and Sundays. Herein, you can have a look to this particular schedule released by IIT Guwahati for GATE 2026. So, February 7, 2026, times for dual shift, I have already told you. The paper code, if I talk about for the morning shift, AGES, GG, IN, MA, MN, TF, XELL. For the afternoon shift, you can have a look. So, please take a screenshot of this particular table in order to have the clear guidance of the schedule that has been released basically. So dear ones, with the mock test now live and the exam date set, your preparation needs to shift into higher gear. Don't let the February deadline catch you off guard. Start strategizing today. All the very best.